wedding ceremony with my friends here. This is the venue. Look at this. Yes, with my beautiful friend. Here is my beautiful friend. Okay, hi. I will publish this into my blog. Yes, diba? My blog na. Hello, this is the venue. Very big venue. Look at that. Very special wedding. Okay, and here, this is it. Yeah, I'm sitting here in a very special seat. Actually, I'm the host. Okay, I'm the MC. Oh my God, the beautiful one. Okay, later this afternoon, I will still go to school. Yeah, our regular classes starts today. Hi ninyong tanan. Hi sa mga friendship diha. So mo ni ang grande nga kasal sa ako ang friend. Then ako ang host, ang MC. And this is their seat. So kuman naman sila, ako na ipuli. Yes. And this is the very audacious nga venue. Yes, and here's the grand reception. Look at that. And here, the front. And their gifts. Here, their gifts. People are done eating. Hi. Okay. We're here. Yes, hi.
Hi.
My beautiful friends here. Oh, sila. Oh, sila ang sunod maminyo. Oh, sino na ninyong duha?
Wala na kasalos. Ayan wala.
Ha?
Wala na salos. Wala sa ibatinyo.
Iliyoy. Bisa pa rin kasaloy. Basta maminyo na yun. Maminyo na. Diba? Kaminyo na po ni sila. Diba? Mga gwapa. Oh. Mo ni si Lalay. Lay, kano sa ka magminyo, Lay?
Wala pa year 20.
20. Okay, ikaw miss. Kano sa ka magminyo?
Wala pa sa plano.
Gwapa na. Si planohon na. Planohon. Ugma.
Wala
Wala pa sa utok.
Plano pa
Okay.
sila.
Nagplano pa sila. Okay. Humana mo pa ni Utto?
Wala sila.
Humana. O, sila ang pa dito. Nani Utto pa o. O, dako kayo na itong venue. There is a Parish Pastoral Center. Sige, thank you so much. Imo ning bangko dar? Imo ning bangko?